Okay,
No, I'm making. Special guys, please. Never mind. Cut it off. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a special guest with me. That's my sister.
Hi again.
So today we are going to do a little bit different kind of video, not as usual like makeup and all. And today we are going to do a challenge video, and the challenge will be, please.
I'm really scared.
Ta-da! It's gonna be 2 eggs, hot chicken flavor. I mean, this is noodles, correct?
Korean noodles.
Yeah, Korean noodles. And we are going to challenge each other, and we're gonna see who can handle the spiciness and who can finish fast, you know.
Really scared.
Yeah, we are really scared and at the same time nervous, but we're gonna do it anyway. So yeah, wish us luck, guys.
You sure you wanna do that? Because we still got some time.
Of course, I'm sure you're gonna do it. You should be careful about you. Yeah, because me, I feel like I eat spicy more than I should. You eat, but not 2x kind of spicy, you know. So yeah, I'm scared about her, to be very honest, but at the same time scared about me too. So let's just start. I'm just gonna cook and come back. Da-da-da. So
Oh my god.
it's ready. I just cooked it, and I cooked, by the way, 4 packets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. By the way, these packets are really big, you know, and this whole thing had 5 packets. So we took 4, 2 for her and 2 for me. So we're gonna see who can handle and everything. I'm excited, but oh shit, I forgot to bring the spices. Just wait a minute.
Oh my god. I'm really scared like what's gonna happen, because
Should be.
as you can see that it's a lot. It's really a lot. I'll try to cheat, but
Cheat? I'm here. My eyes on you. So 2 for her, 2 for me, and I don't know what's that. Something. I'm pretty sure this is where all the scariness is going on. So I'm gonna cut my one first.
it's full of spices. We need to put the full
Oh
thing.
my god. Of course, you need to put the full thing.
Okay.
Oh my god, that looks scary already. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in here.
I'm scared. Can I just stop doing it?
Okay, now you can use the Caesar. I'm just gonna mix it now. That's look really scary. The color is hot.
Really scared. Oh my god.
Me too.
Damn, it looks spicy.
Okay, don't cheat, huh? I heard you say something. I can see still.
No, I put it full.
No, I can see a little bit. You know, every drop I want to see it there.
You didn't put like that.
I put it like that, by the way. So you can see it. It looks so delicious. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm gonna help you. I'm just gonna cut it for you. Alright guys, so we are ready. Are you?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
So we are ready.
not.
We are about to start. We are not using a timer anyway. We're just gonna see who can eat fast, you know?
Wish me luck.
And
I
yeah,
did.
we can add something more interesting, that no drinking water before you finish.
No.
Yeah,
No.
that's gonna be more challenging. No,
No.
drinking water before you finish, and let's see who finishes
Oh my
fast.
god. This, I wasn't aware of this. This I know.
I'm excited. Alright,
Okay.
So,
What's that?
oh yeah, it's coming all over my hand. Where's my tissue? Okay. Let's do it. Alright, don't you look to me. You need to finish it before me if you want to win this challenge.
Oh my god. Can you see the redness?
It's scary, I know that. Alright, can you start? You go first. Okay, then I'm gonna win first also, by the way. Alright,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Okay.
Whoa!
This is really spicy. I'm not exaggerating. It's really, really. Okay.
Damn.
Okay.
You know when you put, sorry for the phone, when you put it's like fire in your tongue.
But I'm gonna win.
Shit, I'm gonna.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm taking back that I can handle it. Shit. It shouldn't take a lot.
I'm guessing I'm better than her so far because I can still handle it.
Oh shit! I don't know if you guys see it or no, but I started sweating. Fuck. Girl, you're doing better than me. How come? It's so spicy.
So spicy.
Okay.
Oh my god. Can you guys see? She's already sweating. I think I'm a bit better. I think.
Oh my god, it's so spicy. I'm not joking. Oh my god.
Actually, it's also my first time trying this much spicy. I never tried.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay. I would take a little bit. I can't take a lot.
It's so spicy.
And I just took 3 spoons. And I can't.
My nose started running. আম্মু তুমি যদি ভিডিও দেখতেছো সে কিভাবে আমাকে টর্চার করতেছে I'm just telling my mom how she's torturing me while my mom and dad are not here.
She's out of her mind that she started speaking in Bangla. Whew, it's so hot.
It's so spicy.
I don't know why it looked better than you. I mean, I feel like I'm eating more than you.
I'm so sorry, my nose started running. Did you finish more than me?
It looked like that. I feel like I can't do it without water. Can you guys see how I'm sweating? I have a mirror here. Oh, shit, my nose. Seriously? Cheater. My cheater sister.
It's so spicy.
When I'm so hot, you will see that my nose will start sweating
Again. And I started crying.
Okay, we Bangladeshis, we do it spicy, okay? We do it a lot of spice. But this one is out of limits.
So spicy.
I'll tell you, do not try it in the home. You might end up going to the hospital. Good that I have a hospital just near my home. Oh my god, we still left everything is left here. Sorry for the background noise. My friends, they're enjoying looking at us, seeing us suffering. I feel still she is way better than me. I'm the worst one. I thought I can handle more than her.
I think you finished more than me. Why do you have that
Because I'm
feeling?
eating. You are taking so little. For me, I'm taking a lot.
I'm not taking less.
Coming. My ear.
I don't think I have to. Okay, let me just tell you, when I feel really, really spicy, my ears started burning, which is happening now, and this is the worst.
Man, what the hell is
Bro,
going inside
please.
this?
Oh, please. I can't.
This is not the challenge. You cannot drink water. If you drink water, you lose. Mom, তুমি যদি ভিডিওটা দেখতেছো, তুমি যদি মনে হয় তুমি জীবনে অনেক স্পাইসি খাইছো, it's not the case.
কিছুই খাওনি, Mom.
কিছুই খাওনি। যদি এটা খাইতে পারো, then I'll believe that you know how to do spicy.
My friend, she just tried one strand, and she's dying already. Oh my god.
Okay, I think we need to break it down. We need to drink water.
Yes, please, yes, please, yes, please.
I need some cold water. I just brought some ice. I can't handle it. Fuck. So spicy. How people can handle and they finish, I have no idea. Without water? Oh my god. I wish I have ice cream in my fridge, but I don't have. You want some cold water?
I don't know what I want.
Okay, we're gonna start it back.
It's so spicy.
Okay. My belly is hurting. Damn.
still a lot. You can see how red it is.
I can. Can you? She's crying. Oh, baby.
So it's a tie. I didn't lose. It didn't lose. It's a tie.
We didn't finish anything actually. What the fuck? Everything left. Seriously? It looks like it's bleeding. Are you sure? You're gonna stop the challenge? You sure, huh? Yeah, me too. I don't think that I can really continue, guys.
Whoever can finish it, I'll give you 10 ringgit.
10 ringgit? Guys, don't do this challenge for 10 ringgit. That's really not worth it. We both lose. We can't finish it. It's impossible. More than impossible. Cannot. So, yeah. I guess we're going to stop
We didn't
this.
finish anything. Nothing.
Nothing at all. So I guess we're going to finish this video here. We are so sorry. Actually, not sorry. I'm pretty sure if I finish all this, I'm going to end up being in the hospital. So we are going to finish this video right here. Guys, seriously, do not try it at home. Even if you try, I mean, don't try all this because at the end you cannot finish anything. Like us. Trust me, we know we do eat spicy a lot. Yeah, but this is something crazy. Literally so crazy. Anyway, so do you have anything to say?
No, it was horrible experience. I don't know. I didn't sign up for this. Not this much spicy. I was aware of it, and not this much.
Alright guys, so I guess we're gonna see you in my next video. Until then, take care and do not try this at home. Not at all. Not at all. And see you soon. Bye bye.